I think Rexeline is gonna do very, very well tomorrow para sa semifinals natin. I think kailangan niya lang magpahinga kasi kabisado niya na yung kanta. She's very comfortable, she's very familiar with the song. So I think yung performance niya is, depende na lang anong pakiramdam niya. I would say if I had to rate Rexeline from 1 to 10 kung gano'n siya kahanda, nasa 7. She's at her 6.5, 7 sa tingin ko, bibigay ko sa kanya. Dahil kung hindi lang siya, wala lang siyang sakit, eh baka pantay siya kay Gunces.